So here I have the 1-year filter combo pack for AIRDOCTORs. This is for the AD3000 and 3500. I'm just going to show you what you get and also how to change the filters. It's pretty basic, but if your UltraHEPA and carbon replace lights are on, it's typically a good time to do that. So let me go ahead and show you what you get. So it comes nicely packaged in this box here. I'm going to go ahead and open it up. You got one UltraHEPA filter. And then you've got 2 of the carbon filters with the pre-filters already attached. So if you get these in the mail or anything like that, and you're like, well, there's a missing piece, the actual pre-filter is already attached right in here. And so all you'll use is one of these and the UltraHEPA. UltraHEPA filter lasts roughly a year, and then these carbon filters last typically about 6 months or so, depending on how much you use your actual AIRDOCTOR. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to change those. Pretty straightforward. I did just clean mine, so this isn't insanely dirty as far as the filters go, but a lot of times the best way to tell is if the UltraHEPA and carbon filter lights are on, it's time to replace. But also if you open this up, you can still see there's some dust and things like that in here. A lot of times that'll get really bad. I mean, these machines are really good at taking care of that. If you've owned one for a while, you probably know. So what you'll do is you'll just take these out, basically open up your new set here, and it's not rocket science, but there are a couple things you might want to know. When you put it in, you want these arrows to be facing, you want this upward, and the arrows facing towards the back of the machine. One thing to remember is to keep this clip out. Don't put it in like this and get it stuck. If you keep this clip out, then when you need to pull it out again, it's easily accessible and you can just pull it. Otherwise, it'll be tucked up and you can't grab anything. So, so you go ahead and just put that in like that. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do the carbon filter here. I'll give you a look at this is what it comes with. That's the pre-filter. It is Velcroed on there. And then, you've got the carbon filter behind it. So same thing. Here you have the arrows facing towards the machine. You want to make sure this tab is down. You just put it in like that. Very nice thing about these, as you probably are aware, they're nice and magnetized, so they go on really quick and easy. The only other step really that you'll need to probably do is if you have the UltraHEPA light on or just the carbon or both, what you need to do is reset the lights. And so it's really simple. It says filter reset on here. I can tilt this so you can see it. There's a filter reset and it's the auto and dim button. So if you hold those both down at the same time, that will reset your lights. And what'll happen is it'll make 3 beeps and the lights will flash 3 times and then you're good to go. So really that's it. There's nothing too much more to it. Pretty basic. Then you're ready to turn it on and get going with it.